That's jumped in. I'm going to make a Mexican dish. I don't do that very often because I love Mexican food, but I'd rather go out and eat it. So that's what we're going to make today. And these little taco shells are very tiny, but these are the only corn I could find, and I do prefer the corn. And it's just, they're enchiladas, chicken enchiladas. And there's, Mexican food is very easy to make. But like I said, I don't know, I've gotten the habit of just going out and eating. But now I do make tacos at home. But that's a family thing. We all get together for tacos. And so I hope you'll try this one because you're going to see how easy it is to make. And you put your I call them tacos. And your chicken. Now you can use the rotisserie chicken on here, which is fine. In most cases I would. But I had made something else, and I had this chicken left. And I thought, this is enchilada day. And it's about 4 cups of chicken. Or as much as you want, because you want it to have a good flavor for everyone. So that's a pretty good amount. Okay. Now, there's a big choice when you come to this. For your enchiladas, you can either use red or green. I chose green. I've got both, but I chose green today. I don't know, just in a green mood, I guess. We're going to make 2 layers, so. Okay. And I even put some green pepper, the green chilies in here too. And they're not hot. I mean, they got a little heat to them, but it just gives it a better flavor, I think. Now, if you prefer red sauce, enchilada sauce, but I don't know, the green just to me just sort of spices it up to a different level. I'm going to put some salt in it. I salted the chicken, but I'm going to put a little bit more salt in it. Okay. Now you put sour cream. But it's about a cup and a half or something like that. I saw a question the other day. It says, what do you always have in your refrigerator? Name 5 things you always have in your refrigerator. And one of mine was sour cream. I guess that tells you something. Sour cream and eggs and milk. Sour cream, eggs, and milk. Gee, I forgot the others. Ketchup. One more. What would it be? And use your cheese that you like the best. I had so much of this cheddar cheese. I thought I would use it today because it just really does make a big difference. These are cheeses. Okay. Oh, the other one would be butter. I don't use margarine, we use butter. I'm sure you do too. So, that would have been my 5 things. Sour cream, butter, ketchup, and eggs and milk. Does that sound right? Sounds about right. Another layer. I've got my oven preheating to 375. See how easy this is. And if you like Mexican food, you will love this. Because it's just got a real good flavor. It's not overly hot. Everybody takes off on it. In fact, I was going to make it a little bit less, and I thought, no, better make that 9 to 13. This is the Minced Enchilada sauce. And there's the green chilies, sour cream, and it smells so good. Just with the mild flavors, it just smells delicious. I didn't use the whole carton. We had baked potatoes the other night and I used some. So it's still about a 1 1/4 cups, so you can get it. Okay. Let's put a little peppers and onions on the last one. On the cheese. I'm going to have to get some more cheese, I think. I've got plenty of it. That's probably good. 4 cups of cheese, I think I have. And I have a fly in my house that kills me. So it's time for let my little dog out, and we live out in the country, so you're always going to get either a gnat or a fly or a mosquito. Okay, here we are. Look what a pretty little dish. Goes in the oven at 375.